3, 2, 1. It's been a pleasant Thursday with sunny conditions for most weather stations and a particularly warm day for KwaZulu-Natal. On our satellite, you'll see a cold front move over the southwestern part of the country, bringing in a mostly cloudy day with showers throughout Thursday. You'll still see that chance of rain for the Western Cape overnight, and then another cold front arrives on Friday, keeping the cloudy and wet weather in the forecast, mainly for the Western Cape. And you'll also see that cooler air move in behind it, but with the sunny conditions continuing ahead of that front. Now, the South African Weather Service have issued a special weather advisory for very rough seas along the coast between Table Bay and Plettenberg Bay right the way up until Saturday, with an advisory for very cold conditions over the high-lying regions in the shade of yellow. For KwaZulu-Natal, though, we can expect a great Friday with sunny conditions and maximum temperatures peaking in the mid-20s. We stick with that sunny forecast as we head into the Eastern Cape with a high of around 20 degrees over the interior and a slightly warmer day for Mthatha and Port St. John's at 23 degrees. We can expect a bit of cloud mainly in the afternoon for Port Elizabeth and Port Alfred, with a partly cloudy and cool day for Plettenberg Bay and George, and the chance of rain for Mossel Bay at 18 degrees. In fact, we're expecting rain throughout the Western Cape, but most of it occurring in the southwest. Quite a cold end to the work week here. Cape Town with a high of 16 degrees, mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of rainfall and a fresh westerly wind. We're even expecting rain for Vredendal with a high of 19 degrees, dry for Springbok at 14. Uppington can expect a fine and cool Friday at 19, and we head into the mid-teens over the southern part of the Northern Cape. Around 20 for Bloemfontein and Welkom on Friday afternoon, with a sunny forecast throughout the Free State, and we stick with that fine and dry weather for the northwest, with a high of 22 degrees for Ventersdorp, and Rustenburg tops 25. Daytime highs will head in the upper 20s for Lephalale, Musina and Phalaborwa. Tzaneen with a high of 25 degrees, no rain in sight over Limpopo or Mpumalanga. eMakazeni topping 20, Ermelo at 19 degrees, and yet another chilly start to the day for the Highveld. It'll be a fine Friday in Gauteng. Johannesburg tops 21 and Pretoria 23, all with quite a chilly start of the day. We're forecasting a fresh northwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth with quite a windy day over the southern parts of the Northern Cape, and then our extended forecast shows a chance of rain over the southern part of South Africa on Saturday, partly cloudy along the east coast, and a cooler day forecast over the central interior. And on Sunday you'll see dry weather across South Africa with a predominantly sunny forecast and most of that cloud situated in the east. Hi, Lunga.